language. A. Filling each gap with an appropriate linking word. In order to, however, because of, although, therefore. 1. Ali had to stay in hospital. His serious illness. The correct answer is Ali had to stay in hospital because of his serious illness. Justification. We use because of as a preposition before a noun phrase to express a reason. 2. We set up this association, help illiterate women learn how to read and write. The correct answer is we set up this association in order to help illiterate women learn how to read and write. Justification. We use in order to plus base verb to express purpose. B. Filling each gap with an appropriate phrasal verb from the list. Look after, put off, stand for, look forward to, bring about, find out. 1. The aim of the family code in Morocco is to changes in the social conditions of women and children. The correct answer is the aim of the family code in Morocco is to bring about changes in the social conditions of women and children. Justification. Bring about means to make something happen or cause change. 2. Seeing you again next summer. The correct answer is I look forward to seeing you again next summer. Justification. Look forward to plus ing shows positive anticipation. 3. Have you tried to how much this mobile phone costs? The correct answer is have you tried to find out how much this mobile phone costs? Justification. Find out means get, learn, information. 4. The initials WHO, World Health Organization. The correct answer is the initials WHO stand for World Health Organization. Justification. Stand for means is the abbreviation for. C. Give the correct form of the words between brackets. Brain drain is the immigrate of skilled people to better geographic, economic or profession. Environments. The correct answer is emigration. Justification. Emigration is the correct noun from emigrate because it comes after the definite article the. Brain drain is the immigration of skilled people to better geographic, economic or. The correct answer is professional environments. Justification. Professional is the adjective that describes environments. D. Put the verbs between brackets in the correct tense. Were you still living with your parents when you get your back? The correct answer is got. Justification. We use past simple with when for a finished past action. No, I joined a boarding school in Casablanca 3 years before that. The correct answer is had joined. Justification. We use past perfect had plus past participle because the action happened before another past action or time 3 years before that. Did you enjoy your stay there? Not at all. I wish I be with my family. The correct answer is were. Justification. We use wish plus past form. Were is the past of to be, to express a present unreal desire or situation. E. Complete the following dialogue appropriately. 1. I have a terrible fever. You. Give advice. The correct answer is you should see a doctor and drink a lot of water. Justification. We use should plus base verb to give advice. We can also use I advise you to. You'd better. Why don't you? To give advice. 2. Neighbor. You were playing loud music late last night. I couldn't sleep. You. Apologize to your neighbor. The correct answer is I'm really sorry. It won't happen again. Justification. We use apologizing phrases like I'm really sorry or I'm so sorry. I apologize for. F. Rewrite the sentences beginning with the words given. 1. It's 9:30 and my friend hasn't arrived yet. It's probable that he missed the bus. The answer is he might have missed the bus. Justification. We use might have plus past participle to express past possibility or guess. 2. Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook. The answer is Facebook was created by Mark Zuckerberg. Justification. In the passive voice, we use object plus was plus past participle. Created, because the main verb in the active voice is in the past simple. 3. The test will be about the first 2 units. The teacher said. The answer is the teacher informed the students that the test would be about the first 2 units. Justification. In reported speech, we often backshift tenses. Will becomes would. 4. I don't have enough money, so I can't buy a laptop. The answer is if I had enough money, I would buy a laptop. Justification. In second conditional, we use if plus past, simple plus would plus base verb to talk about imaginary or unreal situations, not true now.